Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal for Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today again guys, I have a great video. I want to share with you what is for me the best affiliate marketing program that pays you for every emails that you are referring, or that pays you for every lead. So yeah, just let's dive in. So okay, the first website I really want to share with you is called Freshbook. Freshbook is a very useful website because it deals with a lot of stuff about accounting, about business accounting, about receipts and other stuff that people really need to track records of their expenses. So this website, if you join it as an affiliate marketer, you can make $5 for every email that you will send or that will sign up to your link, and also you will make another $55 for every sale that those people will make. So this is the first website I really want to share with you. So the second one is called Sendblue, and Sendblue is a great website to use, such as ClickBank, Katra, or Beautywall. So this website is a marketing an email marketing website. A lot of people use it in order to send emails to their leads or to build a relationship with an email list. So this website is really used by those who are starting online businesses. So if you are joining this affiliate program as an affiliate, you can make, you can see here, you can make €5 for every people that subscribe with your link. And guess what? This is just what you make when those people sign up. They don't have to buy anything. When they just create a free account, you start to make this type of money, and if they buy, you will make more. So the next one I really want to share with you is called Constant Contact. This website is similar to the previous one, and here you can also make a great amount of money. I mean, not a very great, but you can make $5 for each referral that sign up, and also you will also make another $105 for each purchase that they will make through your links. So the beauty of this kind of program is that when you send traffic to those websites, you don't just get paid when the people buy, but now you can also get paid when they only decide to subscribe. So this is another great website. So the next one I really want to share with you is called Swagbucks. I don't know if you heard about it, but this Swagbucks is a great website where people join in order to make money. There are tons of ways on Swagbucks website where you can make money either by taking surveys, watching videos, or playing games. So this website is willing to give you a $3 for every people that sign up with your links. So if you want to make this couple of money, you can decide to join it right now. Invite your friends, invite your family, or any person you want, but you can make $3 for every sign up. So the last website I really want to share with you is called Creative Life. Creative Life is very close to the Sendblue website. So in this website, you get the first thing you get is a $1 for every people that subscribe to your links, and you can also get a 30% rate, a 30% commission for every sales that those customers gonna make through your link. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something with this video, and if you want more, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And I tell you, bye bye. This was Seal for Tremendous Generation. Take care.